No, you are speaking as if you were present at the time of the statement.
I am appalled.
PK Jain, 1 minute. Viewers, this is wonderful. Viewers, this is wonderful. 1 second. No. Let me ask Kanchana 1 minute. Sanju Gupta, this is marvelous. This is fabulous. 4 days ago on this show, with PK Jain present, everyone's on. I showed the papers, and now my question is this. They are asking me what is the source of your information that you have done transactions of 1 crore 8,64,496 rupees. PK Jain, I am happy to inform you. 1 minute. They are asking me, Sanju, and PK, just listen, if you are getting shredded live on the show, enjoy it. Question is, Sanju, they asked me, how do you know? Are Baba, I am the editor-in-chief, I am the managing director, I am the sole promoter and the owner of the network. If I don't know what my books are, you will know. Second point is, how does Hansa know? Hansa is the owner of the company. The person who is mentioned here is Shekhar Swamy, who is the group CEO and one of the shareholders of the company. And out here, there is Guru Ram and LLP Chartered Accountants, one of the most famous auditing firms, statutory auditors. Now, you people, basically, I'm telling you a bit of more than you can chew. This extortionist method, Sanju, laga do. Put any allegation, reverse engineer it, push them. The fact is they are not being able to do these are the usual tactics because we are a media house. Everything we do is in the public domain. But it is shocking, this might have been their overall strategy through their entire professional career. Sanju.
Investigation is being conducted.
अरे आपका allegation है किसी को fix करना है fix कर देंगे. The whole लगा देंगे आरोप. कौन करेगा चैलेंज हमें? हम करेंगे हम कर रहे हैं हर वक्त. हम आपको एक्सपोज करेंगे. अभी तो शुरुआत है. गला दबाते हो लोगों का, डराते हो लोगों को.
Okay.
You have bitten off more than you can chew this time. Sanju is on the debate. Sanju.
Okay. I will not call you Arnab Chatterjee, but let me now, make a more serious point. Arnab, there is one very important thing which you need to tell your audiences. The fact is that the reports that you've showcased in public domain, they are not just from any internal auditor. The fact is Guru Ram and LLP, a very famous chartered accountant firm, they are statutory auditors. Let your audiences know that a statutory audit means an audit by the statute. It is a legal review of your financial documents.
Yes.
Which means that tomorrow, be it the RBI, be it any other external investigative agency, if they ask you for it, including your shareholders and board members, you will have to furnish your statutory audit copy.
Yes.
And I can't think of any instance in the last 20 years that a media baron, an entrepreneur, much less an ordinary citizen, has displayed his statutory audit records in
public.
full public view to showcase his integrity, which should not have been questioned to start with. So the fact that a statutory auditor, which means a legal document, has been put in public domain and the auditor concerned is saying there was no money trail between Hansa Vision in 2019 and 2020, between Republic and Hansa Vision, which again is a part of a large multidiscipline, multi-location RK Swamy group, which has offices in India and
you know about the RK
States of
Swamy group,
America
exactly.
well. So the fact of the matter is,
Have faith.
No. Chetan, why are you disturbing our Chetan?
You cannot deny a statutory auditor's bona fides.
See, Chetan, may I tell you?
You cannot deny a statutory auditor's bona fides, point number one. Point number two,
Chetan.
tell me honestly, when was the last time any media house showcased their ledger accounts,
Your
their
pain
balance sheet
area is here
statements,
because
their profit
Mumbai
and loss
is
ledger
not
in the
the
public
state
domain.
which is being governed
That
or
is what
ruled by the
Arnab
center.
Goswami
So
has
therefore,
done.
this is your pain.
Because he's
Sanju, I
been
heard you
pushed to the
patiently.
wall.
Can I also
And
make
why?
my point?
Because
Sanju,
of vendetta.
Sanju, could you
So
please allow
let
me to
tell
make
you
my point?
that
No, Sanju, help me
as
understand.
far as the
Hansa
Mumbai
Vision
Police
has
Commissioner
got
is
no
concerned,
authenticity. The
be it
statements
false
they have
evidence
made
of perjury,
doesn't stand
he can be
anywhere.
nailed
We
under
all want
various
to come
sections
out.
of the
This
IPC,
TRP scam, TRP fraud
Section
is one of the
330, Section
biggest one which has
332,
come up
Section
now, which has come
342,
out now.
Section
And this is
28.
with emotions
So
of the-
it's not
emotions
correct
of
to
the
say
people.
that public
Arnab is
servants
saying
can get
this is
away.
some other
They
channel.
do not
Some other
have
channel is saying
absolute
something else.
immunity.
At this given point of time, no
One
media
second,
channel,
Chetan,
no
Chetan,
newspaper
don't
is
try and muddy the
supporting
waters. 1 minute. Chetan, first of all, Chetan, 1 minute. Chetan, 1 minute. Chetan, listen to me. Chetan, listen to me. Please stop. Now the problem is you stop and I ask you a question.